Hello. Today's video is your key to mastering the art of seamless counterpart management using Zoho Contracts. Get ready to navigate the world of contract lifecycle management, ensuring legal compliance and effortless collaboration. Let's dive right in.
Counterparty is a legal entity like customer, partner, vendor with whom you enter into contact. To add new counterparty, go to Counterparties tab, click Add Counterparty, and enter required details, organization or individual name, select type, country, specify address and website if needed. To add contact details, press Add Contact. Specify name and email address. Job title and phone are optional. Add more contacts by clicking on Add More button. Once all information is specified, click Add to save. To edit counterparty details, either click on More icon and select Edit option, or click on counterparty record itself. Find More icon, Edit counterparty option. Here you can add more contacts, modify existing, download them, or delete. Navigate to all contracts to view all documents related to this specific counterparty. You may want to use Filter feature to filter contracts by status. Selecting counterparty from the list allows you to download them in CSV or Microsoft Excel formats. Click on column names to list the records in ascending or descending order. Use search bar and filters to find required counterparty faster.
That's it for uncovering the secrets of effortless counterparty management through Zoho Contracts. If you're eager to refine your contract management skills and crave more invaluable insights, remember to express your support by liking and subscribing. Have questions or ideas? We're all ears at knowhow@customerization.ca.